Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesavers 3-head 52-inch wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Timesavers 200 series 52-inch 3-head wide belt sander. It does have low hours on it. We did replace the feed mat with a 3-ply neoprene mat. This machine is fully optioned. It does have your material calibration. First, we're gonna have to come in and turn it on, reset everything. And this button right here is for your calibration. When you hit this button, it is going to lower your finger here. When it reaches the desired thickness, as you can see, it did stop, and also the light on the button turns on as well. You can see that right behind my finger. It does raise and lower as it should. And we can turn that conveyor on as well. Runs nice and smoothly. No bearing issues. And then we can come in and of course adjust that speed. We'll attenuate it down to a really slow speed now. If we open the side of the sander up, you'll see that that first head is a 50 horsepower, 12-inch helical grooved drum. We did put new rubber on that drum. It did have a nick, so we replaced that drum and had it redone. So it is at 100% life right now and is blemish and nick free, of course. And it was also fully balanced. Heads 2 and 3 are 30 horsepower. Those are oscillating platens. We're gonna turn that first head on real fast. Then we are gonna turn the second head on. Followed by that third head. Just hit the emergency stop, and that killed all of the heads. As you can see, everything stopped the way it was supposed to. Just come here and close these doors real fast. You do have an Accurate Technologies Pro Scale for your height mounted on the doors. It does work the way it's supposed to. We'll come around back real fast and take a look. Again, it is a really nice, clean, fully functional 200 series 52-inch 3-head wide belt sander. just over 13,000 hours on it, which is really low for a 200 series. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.